In this video, I will show you how to control your Mi TV with your mobile phone. So if you misplace your remote control, or for some reasons your remote control actually got spoiled, this is going to be a very helpful one for you. So what you just want to go ahead and do is to come over to your mobile phone. If you're using an iPhone, this actually works pretty well as well. So you just want to go to the App Store on your mobile phone. In my case, I'm just going to open up the Google Play Store like so. And now on the top search bar, you want to go ahead and search for Mi TV remote control. Now once you search for the Mi TV remote control, you want to scroll down and make sure you download this particular app called Xiaomi Mi TV remote over here. You can actually see the logo over here. Now once you open up this page, you want to go ahead and download and install it into your mobile phone, just as it is downloaded and installed into my mobile phone, as you can see. Now you want to go ahead and open up this app on your mobile phone, and on this page you want to go ahead and click on Xiaomi Smart TV. Just click on Xiaomi Smart TV. Now this remote is going to find your Mi TV and connect to it, but you have to make sure that both your Mi TV and your mobile phone are already connected to the same Wi-Fi. So you want to make sure that your Mi TV is actually connected to the same Wi-Fi as your mobile phone. And as you already know, my mobile phone is already connected to the same Wi-Fi as my Mi TV. If you do not have your remote and you want to connect your TV to the same Wi-Fi as your mobile phone, I have made a video on how to connect your Mi TV to Wi-Fi without remote control, and I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video for that particular video, so you can go and check it out. Now once your TV and your mobile phone are both connected to the same Wi-Fi, you want to go ahead and select your TV in the list of devices that was found, and now you have to enter the code that is being displayed on your TV. So I'm just going to enter mine like so. Now you want to go ahead and click on OK, and now you can see that they are both connected together. So I can just go ahead and click on yes, and now I can now control my Mi TV with my mobile phone over here. So I can go ahead and look for apps, also scroll to the top, and also go ahead and open up my settings just like so. So basically that is how to control your Mi TV with your mobile phone. If this video was helpful, guys, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.